Hi, good day everyone. Join me as I put together this large chicken coop here from Ernie. What I did here is just get everything laid out. Coming along over here, they give you this black bag with all the parts in it. So it's got the bungees, the tie straps, some door hinges, some tools. Here's the poles, so I organized the poles according to number. Kind of put all the brackets together here. These are the G's. These are all one flavor. I think they're the F's. Same with these. Here's our chicken wire and our cover there. Well, there's the breakdown of it all, and here's the directions. I'm just going to follow along one by one. These things just snap right into each other. Next, we'll take our 4-piece 7s and stick them on each corner. Now we'll take our piece 1s here, and we'll span from here to here, just like below on each side. Now we'll take our piece 4s and come across here, so we have 4-piece 4s. Now we'll go ahead and put 2 G brackets right here across the top. Now we'll take our piece 1 and go across the top. Then we're going to go ahead and build these 2 half doors. So this is piece 9. We're going to go ahead and attach this piece 9 to the frame with this. It's going to sit like that. Wing nut and bolt for each side. This 3 right here is going to be our door frame. So that's going to go right down there. It's going to hook in right here. Okay, now what I did for the doors, so I got the pieces all just laid out here. These are piece number 10s along the bottom, and then piece number 11s on the top, and then 3-1 and 2-1 there. Just go ahead and put this all together. Okay, got those parts snapped together up top. Now we'll go ahead and put those piece 10s in right here with those bolts. Little tip I did here, so I put one side in and screwed it all the way in, and then I took it like this and turned it up on end. That way I could push the 2 ends together. It made it easier to drive this screw in. And I tighten those bolts. This little wrench here. Same thing with these ones up here. All right, the trick with these hinges here, so they just go right in these holes right there, just like that. But the trick is to put this one on the bottom, then you can go put this on the door. That way you can take the whole door and slide it right on the hinge there. Now I can hang the door. Next, we're going to put these on. We're going to use those same screws. Okay, now we're just wrapping the chicken wire around it. There's no wrong way to do this as long as you get it all sealed up. And we're just tying them all with the zip ties. And then we'll come along after and snip them all off. All right, got all the chicken wire on there. Got it all cut out and zip tied. Now I'm just going to put the tarp on there. Now we'll go ahead and secure the tarp with these bungees through the eyelets right here. And here's the stakes here. What you can do is just take these and drive them right down here through those holes.